Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be using cream and liquid products to get this look. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to prime my skin with Maybelline Baby Skin. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. Next, I'm going to be using Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation in the shade LG6. Now I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm going to grab this random brush and just blend out my foundation. I always like blending out my foundation with a brush after I put it on, just because if I have any harsh lines from where I missed it with the beauty blender, I can always just go back in and just buff it back out. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Yellow. Next, I'm going to bronze my face using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Alright, now I'm going to blend this into my skin just because I don't want it to set and of course be blotchy. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and then just blend out my highlight. Next, I'm going to be using this Revolution's translucent powder to set my face. Now I'm going to let that baking powder sit on my face a little bit, and I'm going to go in using this LORAC palette in the shade Almond Pearl. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Medallion. Now to darken my outer corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Dark Brown. Now I'm grabbing this random brush and just blending out my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in and brush off the excess powder from the baking powder and my eyeshadow that has fallen out. Alright, now that is done, I'm going to go in using the Clinique eyeliner, and I'm not going to do a wing eyeliner look. I'm just going to put a small band on my eyelashes just so I can have my eyes pop a little bit. Now I'm going to be moving on to my mascara, and I'm just going to do my bottom lashes with this mascara since I have eyelash extensions up top. Alright, now I'm going to be moving on to my blush. I'm going to be using this Covergirl Cream Blush in the shade Sweet Innocence. Alright, now moving on to my Liquid Revolutions highlighter, and of course this has a little applicator, but I'm going just to put it on this random brush and then just dot this onto my face and blend it in. Alright, now I'm going to outline my lips using this NYX Soft Brown Lip Pencil. Now I'm going to be using this NYX lipstick in the shade Pop Explosion. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this Benefit Eyebrow Gel in the shade 3. Just to set my eyebrows. Alright, and this is the final look. Until next time, bye guys!